So should couples use sex toys?
Yes.
Is it healthy?
Yes. A lot of men may not like this, but you have to hear it. You guys masturbate to porn all the time, and you're already replacing us with that.
How should couple introduce sex toys in between them?
We as women have a gift of multiple orgasms. The third and the fourth orgasm is golden. Now that is what will take you to another realm.
Any situations that you shouldn't use sex toys in them?
Yes, if it's getting painful.
Does it reduce pleasure if used for a long time, the sex toy? It reduces
No.
sensation?
No.
It does not?
No, not at all. I recommend buying because then you need to bring some spice back. You need multiple orgasms. See, it's incredible. Men complain all the time about how women are less active in bed. And why? Because they've disconnected from their desires. Men are not making them feel safe today. To be active in bed, be passionate, talk about their desires, communicate about what they love and what they want to try.
If a couple has lost their spark in bed, how do they reignite it? Any suggestions you have?
I tell people schedule sex.
That
Night.
will feel like a task. I
Tell
wanted to talk to you about sex toys now, but not in relation to just single. I want to talk to you about it in the sense of couples.
Yeah.
So should couples use sex toys?
Yes.
Is it healthy?
Yes.
Explain that to me.
Okay, so I think the biggest myth today in the sex toy industry is that it's a replacement
Yes.
for someone. It's not. I am also a speaker. I go to a lot of speaking events as a coach. We do workshops. People invite me. There was this one question this gentleman asked me more than a year ago, so it was fairly new at that time. And he said, I'm scared that she's going to replace me, with a sex toy. So now there are two things to this. Number one, and a lot of men may not like this, but you have to hear it. You guys masturbate to porn all the time, and you're already replacing us with that. So first, don't come at us with that. And this is my pure feminine, not pseudo-feminism talking. We're talking about equality here, right?
Yes.
Number two, sex toy just enhances your relationship. Now, I've said this in all my podcasts. I'm saying it again here. We as women have a gift of multiple orgasms. There are how many women are just orgasming one and it's done with. Arey, why orgasm? Done. How long can a man go? If I want a third, fourth, fifth orgasm, which we are capable of having,
women are capable.
how long can you expect your man to do? Keep him around, stay there, help us do that. The third and the fourth orgasm is golden. Now that is what will take you to another realm. And nobody knows this, nobody talks about this and how healthy it is. This is one of the biggest gifts that we have. Now, this is for women's sex toys. Even for men, there are sex toys. There are sex toys, and they're not toys, but they're like tools. You have the penis ring. It helps. It helps you with the girth. It helps you with, the longevity of the sex. Lubes hai. Kitna important hai lube, yaar. Every single time, it is not possible for a woman to get that wet. It hurts. Apply water-based lubes. There are amazing brands in the market that I vouch for. Go and buy it. But these are enhancement. These are things that will help you only in your intimacy space.
Now that you've explained the importance and how does it help, firstly, वो तो myth bust हो गया कि no, it does not replace you as a
Does not
partner.
replace.
Second, you should not feel insecure because of it, because again, human connection वो आप ही के साथ feel होगा, sex toy के साथ नहीं होगा.
Correct. वो emergency tool है for singles.
You can say that.
Let's be honest.
Yeah, and even if couples want to use it, it's a great way to just upgrade. Like
हाँ.
you're doing this, you can go this. If you
Or
want.
couples talk about, I said that people get bored कि दाल चावल है हर रोज एक ही चीज कर रहे हैं. So these are things that bring
To
spark
try
back.
new things. But one question that comes to my mind is, how should couple introduce sex toys in between them? कैसे इंट्रोड्यूस करे कि मैं अपने हस्बैंड को बोलूँ, कोई women पूछ रही है कि मुझे यूज करना है, हस्बैंड बोलना चाहता है.
यही जो मैंने कहा, a
कैसे?
woman can tell their husband that, love, baby, I have a gift of multiple orgasms. I want to try it. Can we try it, please? So the man, again, all of this has to be spoken with a lot of love and respect and grace. किसी का ego नहीं hurt होना चाहिए. You shouldn't be
They're
adamant
scared
and
ना कि
arrogant
what if
about
they
it.
don't like this.
So explain this.
topic.
No? Exactly what I said is how you speak to your partner with love and with grace. If a man wants to buy a penis ring, he can very easily tell his wife. By the way, penis ring is something that he needs to be careful with, how
Why?
you use it, what kind of a brand. Because what does a penis ring do? It tightens the penis. So it's supposed to be worn before a man gets hard, right?
Hmm.
So it stops the blood flow thoda sa so that it lasts longer and all that. So there are techniques that he has to be mindful of, so everything is a trial and error. But my point is the way to talk about this is only with love and respect.
And I think that's what people lack, especially Indian couples, because they don't talk about sex. तो वो ये ही
Sex
कैसे
की
बात
बात नहीं
करेंगे?
कर रहे हैं.
They just do it.
Women are not able to even come to their own orgasms, yaar. Sex toys, so but now people are getting better. Like there are brands, Lisa Mangaldas. I mean, I almost have all her toys with
Yeah.
me. Yeah, Durex, incredible brands. Yeah, you were talking about one.
Yeah.
So these are amazing brands. Yeah, reach out and just buy.
Okay, are there any situations that you shouldn't use sex toys in then?
Yes, if it's getting painful. Sometimes it gets painful also. For
Because
example,
of the sex toy.
yeah, it can get painful if it's not used correctly.
Hmm.
So no sex toys hurt like that.
Hmm.
They're all made very safely if you buy the right product and the right quality. But it can hurt if it's not used correctly. So if you're not using it correctly, to seekho. But stop there.
Okay, so if sex toys are used for a very long time कि हम इतना dependent होने लग जाते हैं उस पे और उसके बिना we don't experience pleasure.
That is wrong, no?
Yeah.
Not every single time you can't have sex toy in bed with you. There has to be even just.
But if people use it for a lot of times, because of course, let's say we talk about a vibrator. So a man cannot vibrate as a vibrator does. तो उससे जो लोग women feel that connection
वो
वो
imbalance है. But यही तो imbalance है. For example, if I'm talking about a man getting addicted to porn and masturbating,
this is also addiction.
This is so you have to control. Everything has to be balanced.
And does it reduce pleasure if used for a long time, the sex toy?
नहीं.
It reduces
नहीं.
sensation?
No.
It does not?
No, not at all.
I think that's one of the myths that's going around right now.
No. Again, it has to be used balanced way, Meena. So you are also used to your partner's touch along with the touch of the sex toy. You have to balance it out. See, if your man can do everything on his own and if you're happy and satisfied, you don't need to buy it. I recommend buying because then you need to bring some spice back. You need multiple orgasms. See, it's incredible. You've heard of squirting?
Yeah.
Most women squirt through sex toys when there is a built-in pressure on, and then you have multiple, that's when you squirt. So these are just experiences for you to have.
Okay,
and
one
enjoy.
question, because it's something apart from your topic maybe, but abhi there's a thing going on legally ki consent important hai, we know that in sex, even in after marriage. Now एक रूलिंग आई है जिसमें एक केस में विमेन के फेवर में भी गया, एक केस में मैन के फेवर में भी गया. तो मतलब अभी लीगली भी इट्स इन अ ग्रे एरिया कि कंसेंट इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि नहीं. हाँ, राइट नाउ स्टिल इन इंडियन लॉ कंसेंट का लीगलाइजेशन इज इन अ ग्रे एरिया. But people who are watching this
consent between married people?
Married people, yes. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. Now, as a intimacy coach, you know how important consent is.
Of course.
But I want you to explain that to the audience कि consent क्यों important? How does it matter?
Of course. I mean, consent के बिना तो you're literally, it's rape, no?
Exactly.
So it's not it's not allowed. Period. Now the problem is अगर ये हो रहा है, there are two reasons this is happening. One is because of a man's physical strength over a woman. And number two, a woman gets scared that if I say no, my man will go somewhere else outside and have sex with someone else. तो वो जबरदस्ती कर रही है कि चलो दे देते हैं. And very honestly speaking, women are not understanding कि they are still going out. Because if you are just doing it for the sake of it, he's not connecting.
He's not having that kind of pleasure.
So for him, you're like a sex doll without any emotions. And he will need it. And so does a woman, I'm saying, right? And this is the biggest disconnect today in men and women. Like, men complain all the time about how women are less active in bed. And why? Because they've disconnected from their desires. Plus, men are not holding enough space for them. Men are not making them feel safe today. To be active in bed, to be passionate, talk about their desires, communicate about what they love and what they want to try. This huge gap on women's safety, in their head, which they need a man's help also. So ये है गैप
So I
है.
think it's the job of a man to make a woman feel safe before sex in
100%.
every day. Not like if you're in a 5-year, 10-year relationship and you feel that
100%.
the woman is safe with me. No,
100%.
you
100%.
should do it every day.
100%. And a woman also should give chances.
Yes.
Come on, we're also, again, as I
Humans.
said, we're also going to another level of extreme, right? I'm saying that come back to it, come back to companionship. It's healthy, it's beautiful. Give chances. Men are ready to learn. सब lonely हो रहे हैं अभी. पागलपन चल रहा है.
One more thing about couples that I want to ask. If a couple has lost their spark in bed, how do they reignite it? Any suggestions you have?
So many suggestions. One was sex toy.
Hmm.
Number two is, so what I have noticed is when couples have kids and their normal routine starts and everything goes for a toss, I tell people schedule sex. Schedule a date
That
night.
will feel like a task.
No, it's okay. Listen, you're busy, you're tired. The man is working all day, the woman is also working. बच्चे संभाल रहे हो, घर संभाल रहे हो, social life संभाल रहे हो, health संभाल रहे हो. There's so much to it, right? And so schedule करो उसको. And it worked. I have made couples do it. It has
It
worked.
sounds weird.
It doesn't. It's not weird at all. Okay, for example, say if you're dating a man and you've not been able to have a successful intimacy sexual night for like maybe a month, for example, will it be wrong if a man says, babe, Friday night, I'm taking you out, be ready at 8. Let's go have a wonderful date, have a great night. Scheduling ही तो हुआ ये. और डेट के बाद तो सेक्स हो सकता है ना. It's about scheduling it. That doesn't mean it's a turn off and a turn on button.
So if you do not plan a schedule it, you will keep on delaying it.
You'll keep delaying
That's what
it.
happens.
Or it'll be unsatisfactory. Come prepared for it. Dress up nicely. Look good. Buy small gifts for each other. Flowers, chocolates, whatever your partners love. Do small things, yaar.
Okay, now that you've talked about intimacy after having a child, let's talk about this topic. And
Yeah.
इसमें first question that comes to my mind is, why do couples drift apart after having children? बच्चे होने के बाद intimacy खत्म हो
यार
जाती है.
यहाँ ये नहीं, वो ये lack of education है.
अगर आपको ये क्लिप पसंद आई हो हमारे पॉडकास्ट में से, तो नमन टॉक्स पॉडकास्ट चैनल पे रोज आपके लिए स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक पे नई क्लिप आएगी. रोज कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा, रोज कुछ हेल्पफुल टिप मिलेगी. तो देखना मत भूलिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा.